So, I got a question for you. How much would you spend on this exact t-shirt? Would you spend 60 bucks? More? Less? I mean, there's nothing fancy to it. It doesn't, do your taxes for you or lay golden eggs. But it's 60 bucks. Would you spend that on a t-shirt? And should you spend that on a t-shirt? Well, if you're curious about Goodlife t-shirts, keep on watching to find out more. I'll give you my honest review of Goodlife and some great alternatives too. Keep on watching. All right, as I mentioned in my Robert Barraquette review, I've actually had this shirt for several months and I didn't know when I was gonna wear it, and I don't like wearing fancy clothes like the first time. I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin them. It's a weird thing. I don't know if anyone else does that. I've heard other people do that too. But this is a $60 t-shirt. It's a regular t-shirt from Goodlife. Some people that are really high-end influencers, I hate to use that term, wear this shirt because it's super simple, super easy. It's not even 100% cotton. It's got some other stuff mixed in. I'll put the full mix of what it's made of below, but it reminds me a lot of like fresh, clean tees. In fact, when I was trying to find the right t-shirt, I got it a little bit mixed up and I thought I was grabbing it and I thought it was a fresh, clean t-shirt or a Buckmation shirt, but it's not. It's the Goodlife shirt. And Goodlife is a good brand. They've got tons of colors, tons of options, but let me just shoot it to you 100% straight. I just reviewed a more expensive t-shirt, the Robert Barraquette t-shirt, and I'm not sure you can convince me that this is worth about the same price as the Robert Barraquette shirt. I just don't think that's possible. I mean, once again, look at the shirt. There is absolutely nothing fancy about it at all. It is just a t-shirt. It's not even super lightweight or feels cool to touch. Nothing wrong with it. It's not made poorly, it's not made badly, but it's just a t-shirt. So who is this t-shirt for, if anybody? Well, people that want to trust one brand and buy a whole closet of these shirts. I know, once again, a person I won't name their name, but this is all he wears are these shirts, these $60 t-shirts. He even had a link on their website. Once again, there's nothing wrong with these shirts whatsoever. I'm just not quite sure they're worth the 60 bucks that they cost. They come in a wide variety of colors. They have polos, they have Henleys, they have some other different options. And I'll do a close-up here of this shirt in just a second. But I don't know, man, you'd be really tough pressed to get me to spend 60 bucks on this shirt. There's a lot of other options. In fact, I would rather spend $5 more and get the Robert Barraquette shirt that I just strutted around before this review. So if you're looking for Goodlife shirts, you can get one. Nothing wrong with it. I just think you can get something for about the same price as better quality, or something like a Buckmation shirt, which is, I think, pretty close to the same quality, but like 20, 30 bucks less. Okay, here is a quick close-up of the Goodlife shirt. This one's Heather Gray, MSRP for 68 bucks. It's a really soft shirt. I mean, look, it is very soft. And this one's even softer than the one I have on right now. I was wearing in the review. No branding whatsoever on these. It does have that curved hem bottom, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry about like bending over. Here we go, 50% cotton, 50% modal. And my camera's having tons of problems focusing recently. I don't know if there's something wrong with the software or something I did, but that's basically it. I mean, it's a basic t-shirt. Nothing, once again, too fancy, good or bad. No big branding, no big anything else. Size medium, I wear a size medium and everything else. And yeah. You have any questions or comments? Let us know below. Good quality t-shirts. Just not sure they're worth 70 bucks. If you have any questions or comments, I always get dinged because I don't always talk like bad about stuff, and I'm not talking bad about this shirt, just not probably worth the cost, and that's okay. If you want to spend the money on the shirt, there's nothing wrong with it. You'll be fine and happy. But it's tough for me to talk about things I don't like, because there's so many things I do like that just rather film videos about that. So here you go. Here's something I probably would not buy on my own if I was in your shoes. But let us know if you have any questions or comments, and I hope to see you again real soon.